Hey friends, if it is your first time coming to my YouTube channel, do make sure to click the subscribe button so that you don't miss out the next time I post a new video. So with me here is an exam question, grade 12, 2024. So the question says, solve the equation 2x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0, giving your answer correct to decimal places. So whenever you find such an exam question, you just have to smile because you're going to get all the 5 marks. So here is how you get all the 5 marks. The first thing that you're supposed to do is identify your A. So your A is always the number that is in front of x squared. So in this case, the A is 2, because it is the number in front of x squared. And then you identify your B, which is the number in front of x. In this case, it is -1 here. And then you identify your C. Always, your C is always the constant number. So in this case, it is the 2 here. The -2 here, I mean. So after you must have identified your A, B, and C, and then you get your formula. If you have memorized it, it's quite okay. If you have not memorized it, you get it from the formula sheet, which is just the first page there. So the formula is x is equal to -b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac, like this. And then the whole lot of this divided by 2a. So here you continue, you say your x is equal to, get me correct here, this is where mistakes begin. Most of the students make mistakes here. Remember, this negative here is in the question, and this negative here is in the formula. So when you multiply a negative and a negative, the answer is going to be positive. So once you just get a 1 minus the negative here, all your solvings is going to be wrong. So here you substitute. So your negative here, you know your B is -1, and then plus or minus, then root. Then what is your B? Your B is -1. Remember, it's squared. Minus 4. Your A is 2. Just plug it there, and then your C, which is a -2. You plug it like that. Remember, the whole lot of this is divided by 2. What is 2a? What is your A? Your A is 2. Like this. And then you continue to solve. Remember, this is paper 2. It's all about showing your work. So here when you multiply a negative and a negative, it's going to be positive, plus or minus. -1 squared, the answer is 1. Then -4 times 2 times -2, the answer is positive 16. Like this. You continue. So here is 4. So here it is 16. So this positive and negative is showing that you're going to have 2x values. So when you reach here, this is what you do. Just say x is equal to 1 plus or minus, then root of 1 plus 16, that is 17, the root of 17. Then the whole lot of this is divided by 4. Then here you separate the two answers. So you say x is equal to 1 plus then the root of 17, like this. Simple. Then the whole lot of this is divided by 4. You say, or x is equal to 1 minus the root of 17. This is all you have to do, like this. This is all you have to do. Simple and straightforward. So you continue, you say x is equal to, so 1. You get your calculator. When you punch the root of 17, get your calculator and punch. So you see, what is the root of 17? 4.12311. So you get that and plug it here. 4.12311. The whole root of this is divided by 4. So here, when you say x is equal to 1 plus 4.12311, the answer is going to be 5.12311. Then the whole root of this divided by 4. So your x, the first value of x is equal to, when you punch this on your calculator, so when you punch this on your calculator, it is going to give you, punch it on your calculator, it is going to give you 1.28. So 1.28, you even underline. So this is your first value of x. You get a mark here for a correct answer. And then with the other value of x, you continue the same way. You say x is equal to 1 minus the root of 17, which is 4.12311. Remember, the whole root of this is divided by 4. Then you continue. And x is equal to, and we say 1 minus that, the answer is going to be negative 3.12311. The whole root of this divided by 4. And then say x is equal to, when you get your calculator and punch this, you punch negative 3.12311 divided by 4, your answer is going to be negative 0.78. And then you even underline. You see, simple, very simple. So all you have to do first is identify your A, your B, and your C correctly, and then correct substitutions and solve as shown in this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and invite a friend. Thank you.